Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now this case is made by Encased. I've used their cases before, and this one was pretty interesting because it has a kickstand with it, all right? And I want to check it out, so let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this from Amazon. It's the Encased Kickstand case designed for Google Pixel 7 Pro with metal kickstand. This is the black one, got a clear back. You can see some pictures right there. Here's some of the stand features right there. The way it looks, wireless charging compatible. So I've been looking at this case for a little bit, wanted to check it out and see what it's all about. All right, $15.42 on Prime, so it's a good price. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the packaging, pretty simple packaging by Encased. Let's put the list out. Stick out a little plastic right there. So there's nothing else on that. And so as you can see, it's got clear back. You can see through it right there, no problem. And you got the camera opening that's covered up right there. It's raised up, and you got an opening for the flash. And millimeter wave opening, your mic opening right there. Now the power button and the volume down rocker kind of integrated into the case somewhat. You can see that, but you can still get to it. You can feel it. It's not too smooth where you can't feel it, but I like the way they've done that. It's pretty nice. You can see that right there. And the bottom, you got your charging port and your speaker openings right there. And nothing on this side, pretty clear. And then here's the kickstand. All right, so feels pretty solid right there. Snaps in plays pretty good. So pretty good kickstand. All right, now we're going to check out this case when the phone is inside to see how it works. And so let's go ahead and get to that. Okay, here's the Pixel 7 Pro. Let's go ahead and put it inside. See how this fits. Okay, so now this fits pretty good. Actually, I am impressed with how they did this. It doesn't feel too bulky, but you're still going to get some protection. And you can see the bottom and top are raised up pretty good. So you're going to have some protection there when you put this down on a table, something flat. All right, now the back, you can see the camera is well covered there. It's raised up, so you're not going to have any problem with the camera. And you got the clear back right there. And this is the kickstand right here. Now you can put this down in that way, and you can angle it in the back because it's strong enough to hold up that way as well. So you get some different angles there. And then you can also put it in in portrait mode. All right, so it works in those three positions. Now you might be able to actually lower this and then put this down. So it does. So it does, work when you angle it a little bit lower. All right, so there's multiple positions for this kickstand. It's pretty good, and it's pretty solid. Metal, and it snaps into place pretty good, not flimsy. Okay, so I like that. And the case feels pretty good in the hand. You can still get your hand around it, no problem. So that's pretty good. And it's got a little bit, got a little bit of grip on the back because this is a clear back and it's kind of sticky, so that's pretty good. The sides are matte, so it's not too slippery as well. All right, now we'll check out wireless charge and see how that works with this kickstand on the back. But other than that, I think the case is pretty good. You see the mic hole lines up. Everything lines up pretty good there, as you can see. Not a bad looking case. One more good look at it right there. Sides come up pretty good, so you're going to have protection there. All right, now let's get the wireless charger, and let's see how it works when you put on wireless charge. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's go ahead and put this on. So wireless charge works no problem. Now let's stand it up and see what happens. Okay, so it's charging. Now let's lay it down and see what happens. So it picks up wireless charge there as well. All right, so wireless charging works no problem with the case. Now they got this kickstand kind of integrated. It's not too much of a bulk, too high. So you can still be able to wireless charge with no problems. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Encased Kickstand case for the Pixel 7 Pro. Now I think it's a pretty good case. I think it's worth the money, especially if you want a kickstand. When you compare it to some of those other expensive ones like Taurus and ESR, those in the $20 range. This is $15 right here, and this works pretty good. and it feels good in the hand, not too bulky, okay? And you got that nice back right there, where just get some grip, okay? So I like that. Now, if you got any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.